We're diving into the world of cinema and designing a stunning movie poster. Let's jump right in. First things first, let's create a fresh canvas. Set the size to 30 centimeters by 45 centimeters. Perfect dimensions for a blockbuster. Now head over to the View menu and choose New Guide Layout. This is where the magic begins. Let's make it super cinematic by setting it to 4 columns and 6 rows. Perfect for planning out our layout, just like a storyboard. Don't forget to lock these guides under the View menu, locked and loaded. Time to bring in our star performer, the image. Drag it over to your canvas. If you don't have the image yet, no worries, I've got you covered. There's a download link waiting for you in the description below. Now grab your rectangular marquee tool. It's showtime for this tool. Make a box selection on the canvas. But wait, hold down Shift and make another box, and another. Keep selecting until you've got something super dramatic. It's like building a puzzle, but cooler. Let's make those boxes pop. Head down to the bottom of your Layers panel, click on the Adjustment layer, and choose Solid Color. I'm feeling white for this one. But hey, it's your masterpiece, so pick whatever works for your vibe. We're not done yet. Drama is key in the movie world. Grab your rectangular marquee tool again. Hold Shift and make another selection. Now go to the Adjustment layer and pick black and white. Boom! Instant cinematic flair. What's a movie poster without bold, eye-catching text? Time to grab the Type tool. Add your movie title right in the center. It's the hero of this show. I've linked the font in the description so you can create that professional Hollywood look. We're almost there. Add some text at the bottom for credits. Directors, producers, even the guy who brought coffee to the set. Let's give them their moment in the spotlight. Your poster is screaming, "I belong in a theater." And there you have it, folks. A jaw-dropping, Hollywood-worthy movie poster. If you had fun, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more creative adventures. Share your posters in the comments. I'd love to see your masterpieces. Until next time, keep creating and stay awesome.